Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC, standing here with Mr. Bird, and we are out and about today installing a lawn sprinkler system. Where at?
Baltimore.
Baltimore. How many zones?
14.
14 zones,
14
so
zones.
that's a good sized yard.
Yep.
So this client will not have to be dragging their hose this spring. We're installing it here in the winter months, the month of January. We're getting this all installed, all serviced, ready to roll, controller set up. I believe you did all that behind the scenes. The guys winterized it, so they're ready. Come spring, come March, all we have to do is go out there, turn the water back on to the backflow,
Yep.
turn the controller on, and this client's ready to go. So if you have a lawn sprinkler project that you need done, we can do it. As long as
Yep.
there's no snow on the ground and it's above freezing out, you know the ground's not frozen, we're good to go. So give us a shout if you have a underground lawn sprinkler project you need help with. We'll be glad to help you out.
No, I'll be there. No.